skincare that I use today is the Anua, ANUA 70 plus, and it is the rice plus ceramides. That's a toner. The eye cream that I use is called Hara Hura Haro Wonder Black Rice Bacochul Eye Cream Retinol Alternative for reduced appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, plus Sika Collagen. And the moisturizer I use is Haru Wonder Black Rice Moisture Airy Fit Daily Sunscreen SPF 50 Very High Protection Non-Greasy Velvet Finish. The eye base that I'm using, it is called Appeal Hydrating Eyeshadow Primer. It is almost like a sticky primer. I already have it on. It's clear. And this is so cute. Take a look at it. This is the applicator. You take it and it looks like this. And you just smooth it. And it just disappears into the skin. That's it. Hello, welcome to Makeup Without Limitations. Today's eye look will be a look for the collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun. We are creating a look to either go on a safari, the beach, or the park. I'm creating a look that will go to either one of these places. That's why I show you my skincare in the beginning. I keep it simple, but I make sure I use SPF all year round in my skincare. This is a sticky primer. The eyeshadow sticks to it. My name is V. If you are new here on this channel, please remember to subscribe. And with this collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun, please go check out all the other ladies that are taking part in today's video. Their information will be in my description below. The support is very, very helpful to us. And please remember to hype our video. Please remember to visit my website. It is called quiettimesreading.com. quiettimesreading.com. I'm using a navy blue on the outer part of my eye. The other half of my eye is a navy blue. It looks black, but I hope you can see navy blue. I'm using this palette by Be Perfect Carnival Pro XL palette. I use this blue and now I'm in this blue. There'll be a new book coming on my website. Please go to my website, put in your email address so I can let you know when the new book drops. And while you're there, pick up a free copy of Healthy Food for Thought, the foods that I ate to help me lose. I lost 20 pounds, and I eat it all the time. I just mix it up and make it fun. It is on quiettimesreading.com for free. You go on the website and then go to the store and you can download the book for free. It is all PDF. because summertime and I'm going to the park or safari or on the beach, I'm using something light like a powder foundation. And this is the Fenty 420. I'm using a puff. I'm using my MAC Rich Golden Bronzer. My lip color is Double Espresso by Milani. I don't know if you can get this anymore, but that's what my lip color is. And I use face powder, the Fenty Press Powder Foundation in 420. And under my eye, I went with the Sephora face powder, the baked one in Toffee, under my eye. And I use the MAC bronzer as my blush and bronzer, just to look a little bronzy without any blush. And I also went under my eye after I put the Sephora powder under my eye. I went over it with my e.l.f. finishing powder, the white one, just to give me a little brightness because I'm only using face powder. And I wear my earrings to match my eyes, my head tie. And when I do go walking, 50% of the time when I am walking outside, I wear long sleeve to protect my skin. I still need the sun, but I don't want to get burned. And this is my look for the collab with the group, Keeping It Real Fun. The ladies' information is in my description. Please go check them out and see what eye look they create to go to the park, the safari, or the beach. It's summertime. Go out there and have a little fun. Don't get burned in the sun, wear sun protection, but at least, even though it's to step out in the backyard, a little bit of fresh air is always good. I thank you very much for visiting my website, quiettimesreading.com. Please look out for the next book. It will soon be available. I appreciate everyone who went in and leave their email address. I'll let you know when the next book is out. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for being part of my community. I look forward to talking and seeing you all every single time I sit to film. Today's item is I am courageous in every step I take. I am courageous in every step I take. I love you all dearly, and I still have visitors. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Two colors.